Hello everyone, my name is Mamta. As you can see, this is Dharamshala Bhagsu in Himachal. So I'm making this video for a purpose because I've been getting so many inquiries and from the friends and my circle that uh, because of corona and lockdown these days the people are finding hard to travel from Delhi and nearby states to Himachal. So I have also traveled recently, few days back only. So how you can travel? What are the formalities, and what are the obstacles you face? So I will just explain in this video. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, you just have a look. So this is the terrace of my place I've taken. So cool, isn't it? All right. So basically, you can come easily, even if it is lockdown. You need two documents. One is RT-PCR, means your negative COVID report, plus your e-pass from Himachal government. So I also applied for both of these documents, and fortunately I got them done. Immediately I applied especially the e-pass on the website of government, and I got the test done from my nearby lab. So if you have these two documents, you can travel. So you can check the public transportation. If you come by train from Delhi to Pathankot, there is train, but from Pathankot you have to take another taxi, another vehicle, so taxi or maybe some ride, or I'm not sure about the local buses. So secondly, you can come by Volvo, though the Volvo I came by was the last one, as they were saying. So I was lucky that I reached here by the last bus. But you can check on redbus.in, or there are many other facilities and companies which provide bus from Delhi to Himachal or Dharamshala, or directly to McLeodganj. So thirdly, you can come by flight. If you have these two documents, you can come. And finally, your own vehicle. So if you can drive for that distance and you have these two documents, you can come. So there is no obstacle as such. So it's all about these documentation. If you have, you can come easily. But yes, on the borders they do check. So some people say that they don't check. No, it's not like that. They check. And even if they don't check, it's your responsibility. It's our responsibility that we should have a proper document like RT-PCR for the negative COVID report, because we are traveling and we are coming across so many people. So we can, spread the virus if we don't have report, and in case we are infected. And e-pass is like a permission from the government of the state, that they are permitting you that yes, you can come, though they have their own formalities also. But yes, if you have these documents, you can come easily. So don't get afraid. So yes, apply and come. But I would suggest, if you really want to come, then come. If you can still stay at your place, it's better. For me, it was difficult to stay at that place where I came from. So I had to come, and I was lucky. I consider myself so lucky that I'm at this place. And yeah, finally I came, because I was longing so long to come here. Yeah, so thank you so much that I share the information and you listen to me. Yes, if you have any other queries, so you can ask me in the comment. And thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Stay safe.